Good morning, it's Ben Wiles and I'm just going to show you around the Lemken Solitaire 4-metre drill. So this is a trailed drill combination, and with this one we also have the drill dolly so that you can use the drill as a solo mounted machine if you wanted to. So I'm just going to go back to the front of this and find the serial plate, which I think is tucked in here. This is the 2014. So we got 2 rows of discs and 2 rows of crumblers, finger harrows between the discs there, and then on the back we have a Solitaire 9 double disc drill. This is all in pristine condition. Paintwork's lovely. Obviously been kept under cover before it came here. Let's get around the back of the drill. I don't know whether this video does it justice really. It is extremely shiny. Just have a close look at the rubber on the tyres there. You can see it hasn't met the stone. You can see the discs there. It'll just come forward. The only weld repair we could see on the machine, there has been a plate done there which hasn't been painted back in. A bit unfortunate, but could be tidied up by our workshop before that came out. So yeah, 1 4-metre folding solitaire combination. Very tidy condition overall.